Yeah, it fits you really beautifully. My concern with that is that I want to make sure we have enough room to pull here. It kind of looks like we do, but I'm going to safety pin that up in the best way I can.
Yeah.
It's going to be a little haphazard, but I want to make sure that it doesn't cause any tightness anywhere else if we do that. And then my thought with this is if we, for some reason, cannot get this to close up, we're going to be losing quite a bit of the lace on the back that we could patch it with lace. If we can only get it somewhat.
I don't want the deep V, I just want it.
Yeah, let's try this first. Okay, so I'm trying to grip on the really thick parts of this so as not to disturb this in case we do decide to leave it. So, like I said, it is going to be a little bit of a weird pinning today, but I just want to make sure that we understand what it's going to do for the tightness everywhere else.
Okay.
Just a little bit tighter on that one. That's kind of what we'd be looking at for tightness-wise, which I feel like looks pretty awesome. Go ahead and take a look. I don't even think it creates any more tightness back here, but make sure that you're okay with what's going on in front and back.
I don't feel like it changed the fit of this at all.
No, not at all. How are you feeling about fit here? Is it too big, too tight? You feeling good?
It feels a little tight just at the very right there.
You just continue to let me know how you're feeling comfort-wise, because zipping you up, it zipped up pretty easily, and it's not pulling. And so I, from like a sewing perspective, I'm not worried about the tightness of it.
Okay.
But if at any point you worry about like, I want more comfort or more breathing room, you just let me know.
Okay.
I really like how this tightens up across your bust actually too, because if we hadn't done this, we'd probably take your sides. So
that's what I was.
As long as you're okay with the fact that it pulls this a little bit further narrow, then I think we're okay. How are your straps feeling? Do we want to tighten those just a little bit?
Tighten them, and then they gave me the idea at the store. I like the idea of having like, even if it's not the exact matching lace, like just a little bit thicker on top of it.
A little bit
movement.
Flutter. Oh, okay, I like that.
Like
do you still want beading, or do you want to?
I don't care because it's going to be covered up.
Yeah, so maybe we just swap out the straps.
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask you this as well. Are the flutter sleeves something that you want to be removable, or do you want those on for the whole thing? It does make it a little bit trickier, but it's not the craziest thing.
Here's what they did at this. It wasn't the same matching lace even. Like, I don't even need it to be like big and like, I like it to lie flat.
Let me show you some options here.
I did want to know, would it be out of like this glittery one? Like that might change my mind depending on what material it's made of.
100%. Totally up to you.
Okay.
Because we're cutting off your train, we have access to all layers of your train. We could cut it out of all layers and then take out the glitter layer if we want to. However, if we're questioning whether or not we want to cut off the train, we do have tool that we could match to this.
Oh, okay.
So that way you don't have to have the added cost of shortening the train, moving the lace up. We could just make you one out of a tool that matches very well.
Okay, I'm fine with that too. My understanding, I didn't think I had a choice. So,
like we have so many choices. Let me show you.
That's a totally different mindset then.
Yes, and a huge cost saver. But the downside is if we do want to give you the lace strap, we would probably just go through and steal a couple pieces from around your train. And that would be very doable.
This would be enough, but it might be something.
It would totally be something. We might not need anything. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. This is a very good amount because we wouldn't want like this thick anyway.
Right.
And so there's plenty here that we could definitely make something work for you with just these pieces.
Okay. I wouldn't have to cut the train off.
Yeah, and you probably wouldn't even have to hem it, to be honest. Your hem looks like a fantastic length. Yeah, this would conserve your cost greatly.
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Let's do it.
Okay.
That's awesome.
Then the next follow-up question would be like, will there be a way to like pin it up for me?
We can bustle it for you.
Okay, another thing
that
I had talked about with them, I'm not sold on keeping whatever this material is.
Oh yeah, this. If you want less volume, I would take these layers out and leave this, because this helps as just like a nice little barrier between the linings and whatnot. Let me pull these back for you.
Yeah, they're way to...
That is it with it pulled back.
Yeah, I think I want that gone.
Great, let's do it. Taking away is so doable, adding on is what is usually a little bit trickier. So let's take a look at some sleeve samples. So this is kind of a mid-volume.
I don't think I'd want it any bigger than that.
Okay, let me show you one that's a little smaller then.
And I don't even know if I needed that long. Yeah, like that length for sure.
How do you feel about this volume? Is this too much volume for you?
I like that a lot better.
Okay. We would create a little bit different armhole for you so it can attach to a strap. So it wouldn't actually go under your arm like this either. It would attach from like point A to point B.
So like technically my armpit is out. But
yes. Yeah, would you be okay with that?
Yes.
One thing I do want to check in with you on is how many layers we want to do on the sleeve. So I know that we don't like this one, but I'm going to double it up over there.
Yeah.
So that way we can see just opacity. Let me actually show you this one as another option because this one does have open ends, so you can see a little bit more what that's going to look like. It has 2 layers, and the 2 layers are staggered.
Ooh,
so
okay.
It is kind of like different. How do you feel?
I like the double layer.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I like the double layer of this, but the look of that.
Okay. We'll bring it down into your armpit a little bit, like it'll connect to the interior of your dress. Come straight across. Gotcha. And then connect.
Yeah.
And what you should know is that back here, it lines up kind of perfectly with the top of your dress. So if you want to take a look at the back of that, so this will kind of line up back here.
I like that a lot.
But then at the crest of your arm, it does come up a little bit. Gorgeous.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I love it. Okay, easy breezy. Probably gonna do is just get rid of these straps in total.
That's fine.
I'll have like a grippy elastic that has a grip on the inside, and it will be sewn into here to here, so that it gives you a little bit of mobility because it'll be elastic, but it'll be grippy so it won't slide off.
Like this.
Yeah, and then we'll have the tulle connected to it, and then the lace at the top. I don't necessarily want it to look like a strap with the flutter sleeve coming out of it, unless that's what you're going for.
This strap?
Where it's like you have some small tails coming off this way.
More of a straight line.
Yes. Or we could flip it so that you have maybe more variety on this edge.
I think I like it better going that way.
Okay.
I think you're right.
And then we can start with this, see it on you, and then at that point decide whether or not we need to add any more pieces, and we won't take anything from the bottom until we've decided.
Okay.
What you can expect to see next time, we'll have this closed up, we'll have this strap changed out. They might not be sewn in permanently yet, but they'll at least be tacked or pinned in, so that way we can see it play. So you'll be able to get a good visual on it. Yeah, but it won't be like done. I'm so excited. Are you feeling good? Are you okay if I get you out of it?
Yes. Okay. Oh, it's so crazy. I love it sewn up together.
Does that feel better?
Yes.
Feel a little bit comfier for you?
Yes.
It changes the look so much, but it looks like it was meant to be that way. That's crazy. So I think what I'll do is pin some nude, stretch to one, some white stretch to the other, put both sleeves on so you can see what either of them look like. And I'm just gonna let these spools sit on your train. So if it feels a little bit heavier, that's why. And then I'm hoping that whichever one we choose, it'll be kind of discreet anyway, because I'm hoping that the lace will give us good coverage. So we'll see if it does. I'm gonna do the other one. And you can give me any thoughts or feelings about the sleeve in general.
Okay. I love the lace.
Okay. How are you feeling about the 2 layers of tulle that we did?
Yes.
Okay.
I like that.
How do you feel about volume? How do you feel about the 2 layers? How do you feel about length? Is the amount of lace that we have good? You know, just so many factors to think about. Less volume would look
maybe what would
more like that.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe a little less.
Okay, let me try and pin to maybe what I think you would appreciate. Let me take some out of the back. Maybe something more like that.
Yeah, I like that.
And then we would have, you know, the lace coming down this way. And then what are you thinking about ivory versus the nude?
Like looking at each one, I'm like, I like that, but I like that, but I like that, but I like
Both are good options, so I hear you.
it's not a drastic.
I'm loving what we're doing here. I'm just gonna make some marks. Are you feeling okay about placement of lace?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I like that.
Then I'll just move it around and make sure that kind of relay the same thing once we have our new sleeve shape. And do you feel like you would want this to be any tighter on you, or are you feeling like it's at a good tightness?
Maybe a little bit tighter.
Okay, let me pin it.
Not like crazy tight, but
That's about a 1/2 inch tighter.
that feels better.
Okay, cool. Let's do that.
I like that.
And we're sewing these in. These are to stay on you all night, correct?
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
Love that. Okay, so we talked about sleeves. We're gonna reduce the volume there, but we're liking lace placement, so we're just gonna kind of readjust lace placement on the lower volume sleeve. We're liking the tightness of this nude strap, and we like the color of the nude strap.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna leave the nude one on your dress, so I'm gonna actually cut that. All right, anything else we need to discuss?
I think so.
I'm so excited about this.
Me too.
I added an inch here because I want an extra inch in the back to give her just a little bit more coverage of her back armpit. So I added just a little bit more, and I'm gonna label that as the back because it's going to be now longer than the front is. We slimmed down the volume of the sleeve a little bit, added the nude elastic to the top of it, appliqued our lace on. We still have the 2 layers of tulle. We'll chat today about whether or not we want to keep this kind of angled right here. And I did give you a little bit of extra length in the back as well, because I felt like last time it was like not quite meeting the back neckline of the dress, and I want it to at least meet it, if not cover just a little bit. If we don't like it, we can cut it off. Everything should be in a spot where I'll probably go back and either like trim or tack something down, but you should be able to take it today.
Yay! is so real. So perfect.
So let's tighten these up.
Yeah, I like that a lot, actually.
Thinking we could maybe do something similar in the back.
Okay.
If you'd like to. And then I'd probably just trim this up so it comes in meets evenly and doesn't have a pucker.
Yeah, I like that.
Cool. Let's make sure that's feeling good, but that's a pretty small amount that I changed, but I think it will do the trick.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm being picky at this point, but
That's okay.
it just was looking a little too far left, and I realized I was about 1/4 of an inch too far over, so. And then yeah, I'll give this a little press, and we'll try it back on you.
Perfect.
Do you have about 20 minutes for me?
Sure.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get you out of it, and I'll start sewing on it. I forget that we closed this up.
Right?
Because it looks so intentional. And let me just say, it does not always look intentional when people want to close up plunges like that. So you're like the perfect example of when this alteration goes really well.
Yeah, I don't think anyone would even know.
So good. No, no one would. Beautiful. Do you have any final thoughts? Any questions about it? Oh, you're welcome. Let's get you out of it then.
Okay.